Hi everyone, and welcome to yet another video about multi-tag. Today, we'll tell you all about how much you can actually make with this tool. Before we start, it's really important that you understand more about multi-tag. First off, with multi-tag, you get full ad coverage. That's right, all devices, OS, and geos. Secondly, multi-tag works perfectly with any website and traffic type. Thirdly, and we need to stress this out, you only need one tag to run 5 formats simultaneously. Fourth, and most importantly, it doesn't matter how big your traffic source is. Multi-tag will make the most out of what you have. But does it work? Of course it does. And here are examples of what other publishers just like you made running multi-tag. First case, $303, $270, $337 daily profit. The stats you see here come from one of our publishers who ran multi-tag for a month on his French entertainment website. He made an average of $290 daily profit, boasting an impressive 35 cents average CPM. Let's check out another case. These stats show just how good multi-tag auto optimization is. As you can see, this multimedia publisher made almost $12,000 in 1 month without lifting a finger. And he ran all 5 optimization formats with 0 testing, analysis, or optimization. Can your optimization skills compete with that kind of fine-tuning? Now, with multi-tag, you have much spare time left. Why not spend it on improving your website? This way, you will attract maximum users and easily monetize them with multi-tag. Here's what you can do to have the same great results we showed you before. Create catchy content that will engage most of your audience. Use relevant keywords. It will let users easily find your website via Google search. Share your content with your social media subscribers. Invest in PR. Referrals from other trusted websites will boost your ratings and bring more interested users. Meanwhile, multi-tag will do all the monetization work for you. Good luck! Leave your comments below, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell sign, and also follow us at social networks and read our blog. Links are in the description.